welcome back to our channel. This video is all about our shopping in Walmart and Best Buy. Shopping malls can be found everywhere, but I would say sailors always look forward to shopping in Walmart and Best Buy as they have the best deals in the entire America. Best Buy had the best deals for electronics and it felt like any item in the world will be found in Walmart, so I was really excited to shop at both these places.
I opened this time.
Oh, you opened that? We bought a few things for a much cheaper price when compared to India, and since the climate was really cold outside, it was almost less than 3 degrees. Dan loves electronics, so it was a treat to his eyes. And also the monitor of the computer in the captain's room was not working properly, so he wanted a new monitor. In such cases, whenever we get shore leave, we can go around searching for something that does not work in the ship. We can buy that with prior notice to the company and then we have to submit the bill to the company. Usually there won't be any problem in getting the refund for the item. See here, Ryan. Smile. Ryan, look at. Since this was a complete electronic shop, I did not find anything that interests me. But they had some good collection of toys. As you can see, these are all branded Hot Wheels cars. One car would cost about 350 rupees in India, whereas in America it costed only about $1, which is 70 to 80 bucks. When these items come to India, we pay tax and import duties and hence the increase in price. They also had some very good collection of monster trucks, less than 250 rupees, whereas in India you cannot find such toys for less than 500 bucks. So we bought a lot of Hot Wheels cars for Rayu. We also got a very big hauler which can be used to keep all the Hot Wheels cars and also a monster truck of his choice.
இது கூட நல்லா இருக்கு.
அது கார் மாதிரி இருக்கு.
ஸ்பைடர்மேன் ஸ்பைடர்மேன். எது வேணும்னு கேளு அவன் கிட்ட.
இது எதுடா வேணும்?
எது வேணும்னு சொல்லு. ஏதாவது ஒண்ணுதான்.
பர்பிள் வேணுமா ரெட் வேணுமா? பர்பிள்.
டான் நிறைய வாங்காத டான்.
They also had latest version of so many phones that cannot be found in India. I had already bought a new phone before going on board, so I couldn't buy anything here. But they had so many electronic items for very good price. These are the toys we bought for Rayu. This is the mega hauler I was talking about. This one hauler can hold about 50 Hot Wheels cars and it costed about 1000 bucks. And then we also got a Lego city which can be assembled. This costed about 500 bucks I guess, and we also got a 5-pack Hot Wheels city cars. Each of the cars costed about $1 only, and also this very nice monster truck which costed us about 250 bucks. We won't be giving him all this all at once. We'll be having stock of these toys on board, and whenever he gets cranky or whenever we want to appreciate him for something, then we give him these cars one by one. This way it becomes easy for me to manage the child on board. Finally, we left Best Buy and we entered Walmart. Walmart was super crazy, guys. There was nothing in Walmart that you could not find. Name it and you can find it there. The main thing that I wanted to buy for Rayu was some educational stuff and some entertainment stuff apart from toys. He was only 2 years old, so I wanted to buy a coloring book and a few crayons to keep him entertained.
இங்க பாரு ரயு கலரிங் புக் எது வேணும்னு பாரு. இது பேபி ஷார்க் கலரிங் புக். அங்க இன்னும் நிறைய கலரிங் புக் இருக்கு. எது வேணும் உனக்கு? அனிமல்ஸ் கலரிங் புக் எங்கேயாவது இருக்கா?
ஓகே, இதுல நிறைய அனிமல்ஸ் இருக்கு. இதுல எலிஃபென்ட் இருக்கு, மங்கி இருக்கு.
வாவ், இதெல்லாம் ரயு வெளியில வராம கலர் பண்ணுவாரு.
ஜிராஃப் இருக்கு, டாங்கி இருக்கு.
ஓகே, that will take. Okay, crayons இப்போ என்ன எடுக்கலாம்? How many colors you want, tell me? 6 to 9. இது என்ன 97 cents தானே? 97 $1 கூட இல்லையா?
I was very happy to find crayons for less than $1. Even though we have some good amount of money to spend, wherever I go, I always look at the price tag and I buy it only if it falls within my budget. Since it was the season of Christmas, there were a lot of chocolates and other sweet stuff all decked up in Christmas wrappers. We got the opportunity to visit the US at the very beginning of my husband's contract, so we could not buy more edible products as it would get expired before we could come back to India. So we did not buy a lot of chocolates or food stuff from here. Usually, it is advisable to buy food items only during the last 2 months of your contract so that you can take it back home and use it or gift it to others before it could expire. I always feel we find a lot more variety of baking items abroad when compared to India. Even if you find it in India, it is really expensive, whereas abroad it is very, very cheap. There is no comparison at all. I have checked out some sprinkles on Amazon and it costed about $3,000, whereas in Walmart it costed only about $2 or $3, which is less than $200. See the vast difference, guys. I used this opportunity to buy a few baking products and sprinkles from Walmart. I'll be making a separate video on all the items that I shopped from these two stores, so stay tuned. And now we have crossed the supermarket session and gone into the food session. Here you can find items like dry pickles, vegetables, fruits and so much more. But we don't have the necessity to buy any raw items from here. We get everything on board, so we completely skip this section. We had already taken around 100 diapers from India, but since all those diapers were over, we just bought a small pack of extra diapers from there, and we bought this pair of Crockers for Ryan, which was very comfortable to use on board. Our chief engineer requested us to buy a box of donuts, which was very, very famous in Walmart. Out of about 100 boxes, 99 boxes were sold, and this was the only box we could get our hands on. And this entire box costed only $2, guys. That is $140.
Ooh. Oh, we are out of Best Buy and we are walking towards the best restaurant in town. It's called the Texas Roadhouse. I'm not even able to talk. It's so bloody cold here. It's 3 degrees. I can't believe we are watching this temperature and I'm still recording like a mad girl. Okay, see you at the restaurant.
Stay tuned to my channel to check out our visit to the best restaurant in Texas. See you again in another interesting Merchant Navy video. Until then, this is Fatima signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.